How to use outfit codes in Roblox. So the first thing that we want to do is open up Roblox and search for catalog avatar creator and search for it in experiences. Now we want to open up this game. So open Roblox game client here. And I'm going to show you how we can do this once the game has been loaded. So just give it some time to load here. And I'm also going to show you how we can get outfit codes. So once the game has loaded, we want to go to community outfits here. And then we can just click on most popular. And you will see this option here for outfit code. So if I want to paste an outfit code here, I'll just type one out that I've seen. And I'm going to press enter. And this will load up the outfit itself. Now, how can we get an outfit code in Roblox? We just want to search for whichever outfit we'd like. So for example, this one, we're going to left click on it and then we're going to click on view, and the outfit code is right here. So we just want to copy this. And if we type out 83 in this case and press enter, it will load up the outfit. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.